students, in this lecture we are going to solve the PYQs from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. The PYQ document is down there in the description below. There are 36 questions in it. Make an answer key yourself. Give yourself 20 minutes to complete the 36 questions and then come back to this video. So let's begin. Phyllotaxy is the pattern of arrangement of, that should be leaves. Next question. Which of the following are characteristic features of the Solanaceae family? Flowers are bisexual and actinomorphic. This is correct. Calyx have 5 sepals and are united. This is also correct for Solanaceae. Androecium have 5 stamens and are epipetalous. This is also correct. Ovary is inferior. This is an incorrect statement since the ovary is superior in case of Solanaceae family. So only A, B and C are correct. So option 1. Next question. Match the pairs. Marginal placentation should be for P. Axile placentation. What's the mnemonic? Tom the happy lemon was cut by an axe. So lemon goes for axile. Parietal. Pari sits on the wall and Pari must sit on the wall and argue. Must. Basal. Mary saw the sun from the base. 2, 4, 1, 3. Option C. Next question number 4. In Racemose inflorescence, the main axis terminates in a flower. This is wrong. This is for Cymose inflorescence. The growth is limited. Is incorrect. Flowers are born in an acropetal succession. This is correct. Flowers are solitary. No. This is for solitary flowers. Correct answer for question 4 is option C. Next question 5. Which of the following floral formula is the correct floral formula of Solanaceae family? First one, K5, C5, no, K5 is fused, C5 is fused, A is not fused, is it? But A is epipetalous in case of Solanaceae, so C should be correct. This is wrong for Solanaceae, isn't it? It's an epipetalous condition, so this is very important in Solanaceae. Question 5, correct answer will be C. Question number 6, which of the following is an example of Zygomorphic flower? Zygomorphic flower, Leguminosae family, the P family, that will be option A. Question 6 will be A. Okay, let's do question number 7. In a floral formula, this symbol is for zygomorphic nature of flower. This is incorrect. It's for actinomorphic nature of flower, isn't it? And this symbol stands for inferior ovary. That's wrong. This is for superior ovary. Statement 2, in a floral formula, this stands for actinomorphic nature of the flower, and G with a bar underneath stands for superior ovary. This is correct statement. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Question 7, option B is correct. Question 8. In the seeds of cereals, the outer covering that is monocots. Cereals are monocots. The outer covering of endosperm separates the embryo by a protein-rich layer called the Aleurone layer. Question 8, option B is correct. Next, question 9. Let's match these pairs. Scutellum goes with, it's the cotyledon of the monocot seed. Epiblast is the rudimentary cotyledon. Perisperm is the persistent nucellus, non-albuminous seed, groundnut. This perisperm concept is from the chapter Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. It means the persistent nucellus which is present inside the seed. Seeds normally have the seed coat, the embryo and the endosperm. These are the 3 parts of the seed. But in some seeds there is presence of the persistent nucellus as well. For example, in castor seed, which is called as the perisperm. You got the answer for this? Question 9. C is correct. Next, identify the types of flowers based on the position of calyx, corolla and Androecium with respect to the ovary from the given figures A and B. A is perigynous ovary, B is also perigynous ovary. Perigynous is correct. Question 10, option D will be correct. Question 11, which of the following is an example of actinomorphic flower? Datura is an actinomorphic flower. Cassia, Pisum and Sesbania, all these 3 are zygomorphic flowers. Why have they appeared here is because it used to be there in earlier syllabus. I think Cassia is still there. Sesbania is in the Fabaceae family. Question 11, option A will be correct. Question 12, monoadelphous, that will be China rose. Diadelphous will be P. Polyadelphous will be citrus. And Epiphyllus will be lily. Right? So that will be 4, 2, 1, 3. For question number 12, option A is correct. Next question. Another match the pairs. Rose is a perigynous flower. P is known for its marginal placentation. Cotton is known for twisted aestivation. Mango is a drupe. See how important examples are. It's very important that you learn the examples from this chapter. So 2, 4, 1, 3. Question number 13. Correct answer will be A. Next question. Identify the part of the seed from the given figure which is destined to form a root when the seed germinates. So what is A? A is coleoptile. B will be plumule. C will be radical, and D will be coleorhiza. So correct answer for question 14 will be C. Next question number 15. Read the following statements and choose the set of correct statements. In Cymose inflorescence, the flowers are born in an acropetalous succession. This is wrong. It's born in a basipetalous succession. In Gulmohar, the flowers are actinomorphic. In Gulmohar, the flowers are actinomorphic. No. In pea, bean and Gulmohar, the flowers are zygomorphic. In the flowers of cucumber, the margin of the thalamus grows upward enclosing the ovary completely and getting fused with it. The other parts of flower arise above the ovary. That is, it has inferior ovary is what they are saying. Is this correct for cucumber? Yes. Cucumber shows inferior ovary. This is correct. Bracts are reduced leaves found at the base of the pedicel. Spelling error. Pedicel. Pedicel is the stalk of the flower and bract is the small leaf that is found underneath it. The flowers are hypogynous in mustard. Superior ovary. Isn't it correct? Yes. So C, D and E are correct. So option D is correct for question number 15. Next question, match the pairs. Polyadelphous filaments of stamens united to form more than 2 bundles. Syncarpous carpels of fused staminode is sterile stamen and epipetalous stamens are attached to the petals. 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. For question number 16, option A is correct. Next question number 17. Match list 1 with list 2. Vexillary Aestivation. That will be P family. Vexillary Aestivation. Epipetalous stamens is seen in case of brinjal and all the members of the Solanaceae family. Epiphyllous stamens in lily. Perigynous flower is found in peach. Fine. 3, 1, 4, 2. Option A is correct for question number 17. Option A is correct. Next question number 18. Another match the pairs. China rose is Axile Placentation. Mustard. Pari must sit on the wall. Right. Primrose is free central. Pre and D are free. Marigold. Mary saw the sun at the base. So basal placentation. So 3, 4, 1, 2. Option C is correct for question number 18. Option C is correct. Question 19. Assertion reason type question. A flower is defined as modified shoot. Correct. Wherein the shoot apical meristem changes to floral meristem. Absolutely correct statement from NCERT. Internode of the shoot gets condensed to produce different floral appendages laterally at successive nodes instead of leaves. Flower is defined as a modified shoot wherein the shoot apical meristem changes to floral meristem because internode of the shoot gets condensed to produce different floral appendages laterally at successive nodes instead of leaves. This is correct. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A according to me. So I will go for option D. Question 19. Option D is correct. Yes, it's the correct answer. Question 19. Option D is the correct answer. Question 20. Axile placentation is observed in What's the mnemonic? Tom the happy lemon was cut by an axe. China rose is there, lemon is there, petunia. Mustard, no. China rose, beans, no. Pea, no. So China rose, petunia and lemon. Petunia example I think they have added from the Solanaceae family which has axile placentation. Wow, what a nice question this is. I like this question. So they have not added these 3 examples from axile placentation concept. They have added this petunia example from Solanaceae family examples. That family has axile placentation. Okay, so option A will be correct for question number 20. Option A is correct. Next question in Calotropis aestivation is valvate. Question 21 A is correct. In a pea flower, 5 petals are arranged in specialized manner with 1 posterior, 2 lateral and 2 anterior. These are named as, the big petal is called as standard, the lateral petals are called as wings and the small petals are called as keel. Question number 22, option D will be correct. Question 23. Match list 1 with list 2. Zygomorphic, cassia, hypogynous, mustard, perigynous, plum and epigynous, cucumber. Again, I'm stressing on the importance of examples from this chapter. So many questions have been formed only using the examples and the concept name. 3, 1, 2, 4. Correct option for question 23 will be D. Match the pairs again. Valvate aestivation will be Calotropis, Vexillary will be bean, imbricate aestivation will be seen in case of cassia and twisted aestivation seen in case of cotton. 2, 1, 4, 3. For question 24, option C will be the correct answer. Next question 25. The floral diagram represents which of the following families? This diagram is of Brassicaceae family, right? Correct answer for question 25 will be C. Next question number 26. Which of the following plants show vexillary aestivation and diadelphous stamens. So Vexillary Aestivation will be seen in case of P, and it also shows diadelphous stamens. So correct answer for question 26 will be A, Pisum sativum. All these other examples, and do not worry about these other examples because they are from the other families which have been excluded from NCERT now, that is Liliaceae family and the Fabaceae family. Moving on, question number 27, the flowers are zygomorphic in case of Gulmohar, Cassia, B and C only. Question 27, B and C only. Question 28, match the pairs. Okay, over here in these options the caps are missing and you do not have Liliaceae and Fabaceae family. We will still do them. Let's do these first. Brassicaceae family, correct answer is D for Brassicaceae, and Solanaceae will be this one, although there has to be a cap between A and C. This is more accurate, and also there is dash which they have not given for any of these. Anyway, Fabaceae is this one, but you don't have to worry about that right now. And Liliaceae was a trimerous flower family. So let's go for an option that has B2 and D1. B2, D1. There's some ambiguity in this question line. Let's move on. Question number 29. Ray florets have inferior ovary. Question number 29. Answer is D. The ovary is half inferior in plum. Question number 30. Answer is C. Coconut fruit is a drupe. Question 31. Answer is D. Next, question number 32. The morphological nature of the edible part of coconut is endosperm. Question number 32. Answer is B. Next question, the term polyadelphous is related to stamens. Androecium. Question number 33. Answer is B. Question number 34. Free central placentation is found in mnemonic. D and pre are free. Dianthus. Question number 34. Answer is A. Question number 35. Radial symmetry is found in the flowers of Brassica. Question 35. Answer is A. Next, question 36. Cotyledon of maize grain is called Scutellum. Question 36. Answer is B. So that will be it from this PYQ session of Morphology of Flowering Plants. Please do comment down below and let me know your score out of 36. No cheating, and I will see you in the next one.
In the name of Lord Mahadev, please subscribe